Hey everyone, have you ever had an idea for an app or website, but the thought of coding it from scratch made you put it off? What if you could just describe what you want and have AI build it for you? That's the promise of Blink.new. Today we're diving deep into this AI app builder to see if it truly delivers production-ready apps without writing a single line of code. Now let's get into the core of what Blink is. At its heart, Blink is an AI app builder that lets you create websites, SaaS platforms. The platform's motto is, "You drive, AI builds." This means its AI agent is designed to handle the entire technical backend setup like databases, authentication, APIs, and deployment, so you can focus purely on your vision. A key selling point is that no coding skills are required. They position themselves as an all-in-one solution for AI-native entrepreneurs and developers. Let's look at the built-in features. First is the database, which is automatically set up for you, handling all SQL queries and migrations. Then there's authentication, supporting social logins, email and password, and magic links. For backend logic, Blink offers edge functions, allowing you to build and deploy serverless APIs that are auto-deployed. File storage is included with a built-in CDN and image optimization. A standout feature is the integrated AI models. You can generate text, create images, and synthesize voice using models like GPT-5, Gemini 2.5, and Whisper directly within your app. There are also data APIs for scraping websites, capturing screenshots, and extracting data from URLs. Finally, hosting comes with custom domains, SSL certificates, a global CDN, and promises of 99.9% uptime with under 100 ms latency. The pricing for Blink.new is structured into 4 main tiers. The free plan costs $0 per month and is for getting started. It offers 10 credits per month, allows public projects, and includes community support. The starter plan is $25 per month for hobby projects, providing 100 credits per month and adding features like private projects, custom domains, the ability to download code, and removal of the Blink badge. The Pro plan is $50 per month for active development, offering 200 credits per month and builds on starter by including in-app code editing. The top-tier Max plan is labeled as the best value at $200 per month for power users, offering 800 credits per month. It includes everything in Pro Plus early access to beta features, credit rollovers, and premium support. In conclusion, Blink is a powerful platform that lives up to its Think It Blink It slogan for many users. It's changing how prototypes and MVPs are built by putting the power of a full-stack development team into a chat interface. The journey from idea to deployed app has never been shorter. If you're looking to validate an idea quickly, this tool could be a game changer. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this overview, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the latest AI tools. See you in the next video.